For decades, the window industry has sold the same static panes of glass. But the secret's out. Smart glass is redefining what windows can do. Forget dusty blinds and energy-wasting panes. This isn't your grandfather's glass. While legacy manufacturers cling to outdated designs, smart glass leverages PDLC technology to transform windows into dynamic, responsive surfaces. With a tapper voice command, glass morphs from crystal clear to fully opaque, no curtains needed. But the magic doesn't stop at privacy. Traditional windows force you to choose between privacy, style, and energy efficiency. When it comes to smart glass, the difference is clear. Smart glass gives you instant control, while traditional windows rely on clunky blinds and curtains. Switchable glass blocks 99% of UV rays, keeping your interior safe from sun damage. Privacy glass also blocks up to 80% of infrared light, slashing HVAC costs by regulating heat transfer. The structure of smart glass gives it enhanced soundproofing properties that regular single-pane glass lacks. While some companies keep selling you expensive blinds and shades, smart glass and film eliminate the need for other window treatments. Smart film takes it a step further. This versatile solution can be applied to any existing window, turning any space into a modern, adaptable environment. You can use smart glass to turn storefronts into HD billboards. Offices deploy it for instant conference room privacy, while hospitals protect patient dignity without sacrificing light. Switchable glass and film can be controlled via smartphones and integrated with home automation and security systems. Ordinary windows? They're stuck in the past. Make the switch today. Contact SGC for an estimate. Forward-thinking industries are already ditching traditional windows. Architects integrate it into living buildings that double as interactive ad spaces. Homeowners eliminate blinds entirely, opting for sleek, minimalist spaces that adapt to their needs. Old-school manufacturers can't compete with this innovation, so they're banking on your unawareness. Don't let outdated glass hold you back. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Stay informed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more on innovative glass technology.
Smart Glass Country. Make ordinary glass extraordinary.